In 2023, there are tons of image editing software. So how do you know which one is good for you? In this lesson, let's have a look at some of the free options you have available online and which ones I like using. Number 1, Wepic by Freepik. Wepic is an online graphic design platform created by Freepik that allows users to create custom designs using pre-designed templates, graphic elements, and other design resources. Wepic offers a wide variety of templates for various design purposes, including social media, graphics, presentations, flyers, posters, and more. Users can customize these templates by adding their own images, text, and other design elements to create a unique design. It's like having Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator on your browser. Wepic also offers a library of graphic elements such as icons, illustrations, and backgrounds that users can use to enhance their designs. The platform is user-friendly and does not require any design experience, making it accessible to anyone who wants to create custom graphics. And since we're talking about preparing images for your website, Wepic also provides users with a powerful, feature-rich image editor that enables anyone to edit their images and produce professional results. You can import images directly from Freepik or upload your own images and start editing them. Overall, Wepic is a versatile and easy to use platform for creating custom designs for personal or professional use, and you can use it to edit and prepare your images for your website. And in fact, the best part is that this tool is free for you to use. Number 2, Canva. Canva is a freemium online graphic design platform. By freemium, I mean it has a free version and a premium version. And even with a free version, you can create a wide range of designs using a simple, intuitive drag and drop interface. And just like Wepic, Canva offers a wide library of pre-designed templates for various design purposes, including social media graphics, presentations, flyers, posters, business cards, just to name a few. Users can customize these templates by adding their own images, text, and other design elements and create a unique design. You can resize items, change colors, and all that. In addition to templates, Canva also provides a library of graphic elements such as icons, illustrations, and photos that users can use to enhance their designs. Canva is user-friendly and does not require any design experience, and this makes it accessible to anyone who wants to create custom graphics. And once again, just like Wepic, Canva allows you to upload your own images and edit them for use on your website. But unlike Wepic, features like image background removal are only available with the premium plan. Now, the premium plan is a paid subscription service that provides additional features such as team collaboration, access to premium templates and elements, removal of image backgrounds as I've mentioned, and the ability to resize designs for different platforms and formats. Overall, Canva is a versatile, easy to use platform for creating custom designs for personal or professional use with a wide range of features and resources to suit the needs of different users. And with the free version, you can do a lot, but the premium version allows you to do much more. Number 3, Adobe Creative Cloud Express Freemium. Adobe Creative Cloud Express is a web-based version of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite of software. It's designed to provide users with a streamlined, easy-to-use interface for basic editing and design skills such as cropping, resizing images, removing image backgrounds, creating basic graphics and layouts, and editing videos. The platform is primarily aimed at individuals and small businesses that need to create content quickly and easily without having to invest in more complex, expensive software. And while Creative Cloud Express is available for free, it also has a premium version that you can upgrade to gain more features and capabilities. And finally, we can't finish without talking about dedicated design software. Of course, for decades, the ultimate tools for editing images and vectors have been desktop apps like Photoshop and Illustrator, and these are the tools that actually inspired the newer online-based image editors we've just talked about. And as you might already know, there are literally thousands of in-depth courses and tutorials on how to use these desktop apps. In addition to Photoshop and Illustrator, which are most popular, other dedicated design desktop apps include Affinity Photo, which is the equivalent of Photoshop, Affinity Designer, which is the equivalent of Illustrator, and the CorelDRAW Creative Suite, which has products that are very similar to Adobe products.